Opening Google Maps app in Android mobile. Searching places on Google Map. Something went wrong. Please check your internet connection and try again. Something went wrong, error occurs. Solution: if you use static IP, then check both the IP address and gateway. Here IP address and gateway are same, which may affect the internet connection, so change the IP address. Now I can search places on Google Map without getting error.